hydropower in the waterloop.
The Grand Valley Water Users Association had aging infrastructure. It's a challenge that many water providers face. This infrastructure was almost a century old, and they had needs specifically. We were trying to experiment and see if there are ways to conserve water in ways that will actually benefit rivers. And the Grand Valley Water Users stepped up and said, yeah, we want to experiment a little bit with this, see if this is a tool that potentially could be useful. And they had so much interest from their farmers and ranchers to participate in this temporary fallowing or deficit irrigation, where basically they would grow one crop instead of two in a given year, and then have that conserved water go into the river. And they had so much interest that they needed to develop a lottery to actually see which farmers and ranchers could participate. Remarkably, they participated, and that water that they conserved was able to flow through their hydropower plant and generate hydropower instead of going to grow crops. It fed into the Colorado River just upstream of critical habitat for endangered fish, so it provided environmental benefits. Downstream, there's a lot of rafting that occurs in that area, and those flows were able to help support some of the rafting economy that was going on there. And the money that went to that association, some of it went to the farmers themselves who had changed their practices, but some of that money went back to repair some of their aging infrastructure. And so really it was a win-win-win-win solution.
Waterloop.